Previously, you've learned how to do uploads via the file manager through the control panel, through the cPanel of your host. Now we're going to be uploading files via FTP. All right, so let's go jump right into it. So remember, we created a folder called HTA sample LP, right? But of course, this is up to you. You can, up to you how you want to restructure your site. You can put them directly over to the root, so no need of doing a separate folder for it, etc. Or you can use a subdomain. Again, that's up to you how you want to restructure your website. All right, so we've learned how to do the file manager, using the file manager to upload our files. And now we're going to be using a free FTP solution client called FileZilla. Okay, so go ahead and type FileZilla in your searched browser form, and you should be able to get this, right? Go ahead and download the client for it, set it up, click it, download the DMG file installer. It will, auto detect what OS you are using, so it will just serve you directly the proper file to download. Okay, connection is a bit slow today for some reason. All right, so there it goes. Okay, so for Mac OS X, there you go. Just gives you the options. All right, for Intel versions, so PowerPC G4s. All right, so for the Windows, Windows people, all right, there it is. So go ahead and download it, folks. Set it up, install it. Okay, now that you've installed FileZilla, what we will do now is configure it so that it will connect directly to your hosting company or to your hosting server. All right, so what we will have now is, okay, go ahead and type here the domain name, the host of where you want to try to connect to. All right, so FTP basically means file transfer protocol. It's the protocol so that you can transfer files between servers, etc., from your computer to another server. All right, so we're going to just use FTP encryption. We're going to use plain FTP, everyone. So after typing the domain name that you would like to reach or connect to, all right, the logon type, it's by default anonymous, so click normal. Okay, for the username, it will be, if you remember, the email that we got from our host. Okay, so that usually is the username. All right, get it from there. Okay, and the password, similarly, it should be, please get it from the email. Okay, let's go back there. Okay, and after doing that, you click connect. Okay, and it should bring you right to your root folder, okay, of your remote site. So, okay, let's go over a little bit the look of FileZilla. All right, so this is basically what's happening between the two computers, what they're communicating with. All right, on the left hand side here is your local PC. Okay, your directories, your folders, your files, etc. And this over here on the right side are the directory structure of the server. All right. Okay, so if you have those files now ready, let's go and find them. Let's go to the folder that we want to upload. Right. This is the HTA free landing page sample, and those are the files I wanted to upload. Okay. You can choose between public HTML or the www folder. All right. It's easier to remember this. So go ahead and always use www. It's up to you, but you can use either one of these two, public HTML or etc. Okay, I already created a folder, right? Remember, we did that manually. So it's already there. Okay, so it's exactly the same. The landing page, folder, sample, and the index HTML. But what's difference here with doing it manually is, if you remember, we had to do it one by one. Then we had to create the folder for the landing sample files, right? The associated files. But with this one here, basically, all you need to do is select the file that you want to upload and click enter. That's it. And over here at the bottom shows what's happening now. All right. What are the files that we're uploading, etc. See, as you can see, the status it's transferred. Okay, we will overwrite. Always use this action. Now, if you're not sure, of course, you can skip, etc. But right now, I know I just want to overwrite what's there. So, okay, although it's already there at the same time because we already tested that earlier in the previous video. This is just for the sake of show and tell. Okay, folks? So there you go. So we know that my domain is idesignpassion.com. I have a folder that we've created so that we have that. So the URL will be mydomain.com/HTML and it's the index HTML. So all right, it goes directly over to that URL, and that's what we have there. There you go. It should still be showing the same way. Okay, see how quick it is, folks? It's all done. And now, to test it, make sure that it's there. Well, we know it's there because it was previously there already. But we just overwrote the files, right? So let's see if there's anything that got missed while overwriting. It seems like everything is in place. All right. So that's the second option that you have, faster way of doing it, and it's called FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Okay, get FileZilla, download it, open it, install it into your system, whether it's Windows or Mac, and enjoy.